This is the all-terrain vehicle Tarus with a 2x2 wheel arrangement, which is designed to overcome off-road and water obstacles and at the same time fits in the trunk of a car. It has a quick demountable front fork design. To remove it you need to unscrew just one bolt. Also, to reduce the transport dimensions, you can remove and bleed the air from the wheels, remove the rear trunk, steering wheel and seat. High clearance, which is 36 centimeters, makes it possible to move through lying trees, shafts and boulders. Moto all-terrain vehicle is equipped with a single-cylinder 4-stroke Lifan gasoline engine with a capacity of 7 horsepower. The maximum speed is 50 km per hour. Despite the deep lugs of the low-pressure tires, the Tarus practically leaves no marks and at the same time has excellent grip on any surface. Hollow aluminum wheels can carry an additional 20 liters of fuel or water, which greatly increases the autonomy of travel, and a large range of accessories for hunting, outdoor activities and agricultural needs greatly expands the possibilities of using a Moto all-terrain vehicle.